Two people get an extra 100 same day, same situation, and somehow that one decision quietly decides who moves forward and who stays stuck. At first, nothing looks different. Both feel good. Extra money always feels like a reward. Like life just gave you permission to enjoy a little more. And that's where the split begins. One person sees $100 and immediately thinks, finally, I can spend this. Not in a reckless way, just normal stuff. Better food, something they've been wanting, maybe a small upgrade. Nothing crazy. It feels deserved. The other person has a slightly annoying reaction. Instead of thinking, what can I buy? They think, what can this do for me later? Which honestly feels boring. Because now instead of spending freely, they hold back a little. Maybe they keep $70, spend $30. Or maybe they don't touch it at all, not because they're trying to suffer, but because they're thinking ahead. Now here's the important part. Neither person is wrong in that moment. One enjoys now, the other delays a bit, both feel fine. But repeat that same behavior every time money shows up. And things start to look very different. The first person lives in the present. Money comes in, money goes out. Life feels good until the account balance reminds them it's not. The second person slowly builds something. Not fast, not dramatically, but consistently. And consistency is what changes everything, because over time, those small amounts they didn't spend start adding up. And then they start growing. And then suddenly, money is coming in without them doing anything extra. Meanwhile, the first person is still relying on the next paycheck. Same effort, different outcome. And this is where people misunderstand the idea of mindset. It's not about being positive. It's not about thinking rich thoughts. It's about how you react to money in small, everyday moments. Do you use all of it? Or do you keep some of it working for you? Because that decision repeats. Again and again. And repetition is what builds your reality, not one big move. 1,000 small ones, bringing this back to real life. That extra $50, $100, $200 you get, that's not just money. That's a choice. Spend it all or keep a piece, and whichever one you keep choosing becomes your pattern. And patterns don't stay small. They scale. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The difference between rich and broke isn't one big opportunity. It's how you handle small amounts of money when nobody's paying attention. Which means your future isn't decided when you have a lot of money. It's decided when you don't.